Gentlemen, if you are over 60 and you have noticed your mornings are not what they used to be, your energy fades faster, your mind feels slower, and that quiet confidence you once had as a man is not quite the same, then listen closely for a few minutes. You see, what I am about to share is something most doctors never tell their patients. After more than 30 years working with thousands of men here in the United States, I've learned one simple truth. Your strength as a man doesn't just disappear at 60. Your body is still capable. It's simply waiting to be refueled the right way, to awaken your natural vitality again. And that fuel, it doesn't come from pills. It doesn't come from supplements. And it certainly doesn't come from expensive treatments. It comes from something far simpler, real, natural foods sitting quietly in your own kitchen. The ones most men overlook because they seem too ordinary to matter. I've seen so many men change in just a few weeks, no medication, no complex routines. They start sleeping deeply again. Their minds clear up. And most importantly, their strength and quiet confidence come back in a way they'd almost forgotten. Have you ever wondered why that happens? Why some men at 65 still feel strong and sharp, while others the same age feel completely drained? The truth is, it's about how your body changes after 50. Once you pass that mark, testosterone drops about 1% each year. It sounds small, but give it a decade or two, and it changes everything. You might eat the same, exercise the same, but something feels off. Your mornings are slower, your muscles react weaker, even your drive begins to fade. Now, this doesn't mean you're getting old. It means your body has switched into an energy-saving mode. Your blood vessels lose flexibility, circulation slows down, oxygen and hormones no longer reach the places that need them most. And so your heart works harder, your muscles weaken, and your vitality, even your sexual energy, starts to fade. But here's the good news. None of this is permanent. Your body can recover. My friend, if you give it the right nutrients to open your blood vessels, improve circulation, and reactivate your natural hormone balance. That's why today, I want to share with you three golden foods, simple, familiar ingredients that have helped hundreds of my patients restore their energy, improve circulation, and most importantly, reignite their natural male vitality safely, naturally, and without side effects. They're not expensive superfoods. They're not rare ingredients from far away. They're everyday foods you already know, you just never realize their true power. So let's begin with the first one. It's creamy, mild, familiar, and I call it clean fuel for your heart and your hormones, the avocado. Avocado, a fruit most of us know, but very few truly understand its power. It is not by chance that I call it clean fuel for both your heart and your hormones. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, the kind called monounsaturated fats that support your body's natural testosterone production while protecting your heart. Many men over 50, you see, still believe that all fats are bad for the heart, but the truth is, a man's body needs good fats to maintain hormones, keep the heart strong, and sustain steady energy throughout the day. I remember one patient who came to me exhausted, drained of energy for months. We made one simple change, half an avocado added to his breakfast each morning. No medication, no complicated plan. After just a few weeks, his mornings felt different, his energy came back, his blood pressure stabilized, and his mind felt clearer, lighter, more alive. Avocados are also full of vitamin E, potassium, and B vitamins, nutrients that improve circulation and help your cells absorb and use energy more efficiently. When circulation improves, blood carries oxygen and hormones throughout the body, including to those areas that define male vitality and strength. Several studies confirm this as well. Men who eat avocados regularly tend to have higher testosterone levels, lower LDL cholesterol, and better stamina and focus. The good news is it is easy to make this part of your routine. Half an avocado each morning with whole grain toast, a drizzle of olive oil, or a handful of green vegetables in a simple salad. A small change, but one that can make a real difference if you keep it up for a few weeks. And to take this even further, You can combine avocado with another small but powerful ingredient, what I like to call the silent warrior of your circulatory system. It helps your blood vessels relax naturally, keeps your circulation smooth, and supports your heart, your mind, and your masculine vitality every single day. That ingredient is garlic, and let me explain why. If avocado is the clean fuel for your heart and hormones, then garlic is the silent warrior of your circulation. It is small, familiar, almost ordinary yet inside. It carries the power to change how your heart and blood vessels work every single day. You see, the special compound in garlic is called allicin. It is released when you crush or finely chop a clove. This natural substance helps your blood vessels relax, eases tension in their walls, lowers blood pressure, and improves circulation throughout your body. When blood flow improves, your heart does not have to work as hard. Your cells get the oxygen they need, and suddenly, your body begins to move like an engine that has just been tuned up again. I have seen many men over 60 make only one small change, adding 1 or 2 crushed cloves of raw garlic to their mornings. No new medicine, no complicated routine, just that. And after a few short weeks, their blood pressure steadied, their sleep became deeper, and that warm, steady sense of energy returned, a clear sign their circulation was working again. Garlic also contains strong antioxidants that protect the lining of your blood vessels and reduce the quiet inflammation that slowly weakens circulation as we age. Some studies show that garlic increases nitric oxide, the same natural molecule many blood flow medications are designed to mimic. But garlic helps your body do this on its own naturally, gently, and safely. And when you pair garlic with the healthy fats from avocado, the results are even stronger. Garlic opens your blood vessels, avocado fuels your hormones. Together, they restore endurance, vitality, and that quiet masculine confidence every man deserves to feel again. Using garlic is simple. Crush it first. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes so the allicin can fully form. Then eat it with your breakfast, or mix it with olive oil, lemon juice, and a bit of mashed avocado. Tasty, easy, and powerful for your circulation. And to complete this picture, there is one more food you need to know, a true oxygen booster for your body. It helps increase blood flow, restore energy, and support male vitality in just a few days of steady use. That food is beetroot, what science calls nature's own oxygen tank for every man after 50. If garlic is the warrior that clears the path for your blood, then beetroot is the fuel that carries oxygen to every cell. I often call it the body's natural oxygen tank because its effect can be felt almost immediately, especially for men over 50. Beetroot is rich in natural nitrates. Once inside your body, these nitrates turn into nitric oxide, a molecule that widens your blood vessels, improves circulation, and helps your blood carry oxygen more efficiently. That is the same mechanism many performance and vitality drugs try to imitate. But beetroot does it naturally, safely, and in a way that lasts. When your circulation improves, your heart works more efficiently, your brain receives more oxygen, and your muscles, including those vital for male performance, begin to function the way they were meant to. Many of my patients have told me the same thing. They just wanted to feel strong and clear in the mornings again. And surprisingly, after only 7 to 10 days of adding beet juice to their morning routine, most of them felt a steady rise in energy, better sleep, and a more positive, alert state of mind. Beetroot is also high in boron, a rare mineral that supports natural testosterone production. It contains betalains, powerful antioxidants that reduce inflammation, protect your cells, and strengthen your heart over time. So when you combine beetroot with garlic and avocado, you give your body a golden trio of nutrients, one that opens the path, one that nourishes, and one that delivers oxygen and power. It is simple to use. Drink about 4 to 5 ounces of pure beet juice each morning, or blend it with half an apple, a little carrot, and a squeeze of lemon to smooth out its earthy flavor. If you prefer, you can boil or roast the beets. Add a drizzle of olive oil and a pinch of sea salt. Delicious, natural, and powerful for your circulation. The key is consistency, at least 2 weeks. Studies show that men who drink beet juice daily increase blood flow to key organs by 15 to 20%, lower blood pressure, and improve endurance. And when you bring avocado, garlic, and beetroot together in your mornings, your body begins to perform like it did at 40, even if you are well past 60. Many of my patients say the same thing. They do not just feel stronger, they feel confident again, energized, and alive in ways they thought were gone for good. These three foods are not magic. They simply help your body do what it already knows to restore, to circulate, and to renew your natural vitality. And sometimes, my friend, to bring back your strength, you do not need a clinic or an expensive pill, just a glass of beet juice in the morning. Everything I have just shared with you, the avocado, the garlic, and the beetroot, is more than just nutrition advice. They are all backed by science and by the real results of hundreds of men I have personally worked with. A study from Harvard Medical School found that the healthy fats in avocado can boost testosterone absorption, lower bad cholesterol, and improve the flexibility of your blood vessels, all within just a few weeks. The compound elicited in garlic acts as a natural blood vessel expander. It helps deliver more oxygen to your muscles and your most vital areas, the ones that begin to slow down after 50. And the natural nitrates in beetroot, once converted into nitric oxide, work like a switch, waking up your entire circulatory system, sending more blood to your heart, your brain, and to the parts of your body that define a man's strength. This is not theory or marketing. Clinical studies have shown that men who consume garlic and beet juice daily can improve blood flow to the pelvic region by 15 to 20% in just 2 weeks. That kind of improvement restores endurance, stamina, and even natural reflex and response. In my own practice, I have met countless men in their 60s who told me the same thing: I just want to feel like a man again, without pills, without treatments. And the truth is, many of them did. After only a few weeks of adding these three simple foods to breakfast, they began sleeping deeper, feeling lighter and more flexible, and their vitality, both physical and emotional, returned. They woke up with sharper energy, felt their blood moving freely again, and regained that quiet confidence in every part of their lives, including their most personal moments. These foods are not magic. They simply give your body back what it already knows how to do, to restore, to circulate, and to maintain your strength as a man naturally, safely, and for the long run. And if you are ready to begin, let me share the simplest morning habit I have learned from the men who have already changed their lives with this approach. If you truly want to feel the difference, start in the morning. That is when your body absorbs nutrients best and when your male hormones are at their peak. I always tell my patients to begin with three small, simple steps. They may seem modest, but together they can create real change in just a few short weeks. Step 1, eat half an avocado with whole grain toast or add a few drops of pure olive oil. The healthy fats in avocado are clean fuel for your heart. They help balance testosterone and keep your energy steady throughout the day. It is a classic American breakfast, easy to make, delicious, and great for your heart. Step 2, drink a small glass of fresh beet juice, about 4 to 5 ounces. You can blend it with a little carrot or apple to make the taste smoother. If you are short on time, you can use organic beet juice from the store. Just make sure it has no added sugar or artificial flavoring. The natural nitrates in beetroot help open your blood vessels, improve circulation, and increase oxygen and male vitality. Step 3, add a bit of crushed garlic to your eggs, salad, or breakfast dish. Allicin in garlic supports circulation and helps your blood flow naturally. You do not have to eat raw garlic. Just use it daily. Consistency is what matters most. Keep these 3 steps for 14 days, and most men begin to notice it: deeper sleep, clearer focus, a stronger body, and renewed vitality. You see, these small changes, done every morning, can build into something far greater: the foundation of your lasting strength as a man. Before you begin, there are a few small things that can make all the difference. When it comes to avocado, choose naturally ripe ones, not mixed with sugar or condensed milk. The healthy fats in avocado are excellent for your heart, but when combined with refined sugar, that benefit is completely lost. If you are watching your weight, half an avocado a day is all you need. Now, about garlic, many people think it must be eaten raw to work, but that is not true. Allicin, the most valuable compound in garlic, is released when you crush it and let it sit for a few minutes before cooking. So, instead of forcing yourself to swallow raw garlic, just add it to your eggs, your salad, or whatever you have for breakfast. That is the natural way, and it is something men here in the United States can easily keep up every day. As for beetroot, keep it as pure as possible. Do not mix it with sugar, syrups, or artificial fruit flavors. And if you are taking blood pressure medication, check with your doctor first, because beetroot can gently lower blood pressure. Finally, and remember this, these foods are not quick tricks or shortcuts. They are the foundation for your body to heal itself. If you stay consistent, take your morning walk, get enough sleep, and drink enough water, your body will find its balance again. That is where energy, circulation, and true male vitality return naturally, steadily, and for the long run. 60 is not the time to slow down. It is the moment your body needs to be awakened gently, naturally, and in the right way. Many men believe their vitality fades with age, but the truth is, it never truly disappears. It simply rests, waiting to be awakened again through the simplest of things. The three foods you just learned about are not quick tricks or passing trends. They are real fuel, what a man's body needs to restore circulation, reactivate natural hormones, and bring back his strength and confidence. When your blood flows well, your heart grows stronger, your mind becomes clearer, and your masculine energy returns. Not because of pills or treatments, but because your body remembers how to heal itself. I have seen many men in their 60s rediscover what they thought was gone that morning: energy, deep, restful sleep, and yes, the quiet confidence in their most personal moments. That is the true strength of a man, silent, steady, and it never really disappears. It only needs to be awakened in the right way, through simple things each day. So tomorrow morning, start small: half an avocado, a little garlic, and a glass of beet juice. It may seem simple one, but it could be the beginning of a new chapter, one where you feel your strength, your confidence, and your vitality again. And if this message speaks to you, share it with another man you care about, because every man deserves to live with his true strength.